In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in ClickUp. We're going to walk through the exact clicks to find and apply a ready-made template, place it in the right spot, and customize what comes in so you get a clean, reusable setup every time. It's a simple process, and by the end, you'll have a template working inside your workspace in just a few minutes. Let's begin by signing in to your ClickUp account. Once you're in, you'll land on your workspace, where your sidebar shows the different areas you can work in. What we're focusing on today lives inside a space, so that's where we'll head first. Open your spaces from the sidebar and pick the one you want to use. A space is your high-level container, usually organized by a team, a department, or a major function of your business. If you don't have a space set up yet, no worries. The process is quick, and we have a separate instructional on the channel that walks through creating one from scratch. For today's example, I'm going to work in a bookkeeping space. You can follow along with any space that makes sense for your needs. The steps are exactly the same. With your space open, move your cursor to the plus icon. You'll see this plus sign used throughout ClickUp to add new items, and in this context, it's your shortcut to the template tools. Hover over it, and you'll see options appear. From that menu, choose Templates. This opens the template library, which is a curated collection of pre-built structures you can plug directly into your space. It's a great way to skip the blank page and start with proven layouts. Inside the library, you'll see there are tons of templates to pick from, spanning different use cases and industries. You can browse by category or search if you know exactly what you're after. Many templates include descriptions and previews, so you can get a feel for the structure, statuses, and fields before you bring them into your account. Take a second to look around if you're exploring for the first time. It's a helpful way to spark ideas about how you might organize recurring work. For this walkthrough, I'm going to choose the Public Relations Planning template. It's a solid, real-world example that includes multiple components you might want to reuse, like task groupings, statuses, and views. You can pick the same one to follow along, or choose something that's closer to your workflow. Either way, the next clicks are identical. Once you've selected your template, click Use Template. This pulls up an import window where you decide what pieces of the template you'd like to bring into your space. Think of this as your control panel for tailoring the template so it fits without bringing in clutter you don't need. You'll see options to customize the import items. This typically includes things like structure, statuses, custom fields, views, sample tasks, and other supporting elements the template provides. If you only want the framework, say the folders, lists, and statuses, you can uncheck the items you don't want, such as example tasks. If you're just getting started or want the full experience the template designer intended, leave the defaults on. For this example, I'm going to import everything. Choosing to import everything is a great way to see the template in full context. You can always prune or tweak after the import if something isn't relevant. Before confirming, take a quick moment to review the selections so what you bring in matches what you expect to see in your space. When you're ready, click. Use Template again to kick off the import. ClickUp will now create the items in your chosen space based on the options you selected. Depending on the size of the template, this might take a moment. You'll typically see a brief loading indicator, and then the new structure appears right in your space with the folders, lists, views, and any example tasks or fields in place. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create a new template in ClickUp using the library. You've signed in, navigated to your space, opened the template library from the plus icon, selected a template, chosen what to import, and confirmed the import. The result is a repeatable setup that you can use right away for your next project or campaign. A few quick tips as you start working with the imported template. First, scan the statuses and custom fields to make sure the language matches how your team talks about work. Small edits here can make the template feel native to your processes. Second, Check any example tasks. They're useful as references, and you can either update them to go live or archive them once you've learned the pattern. Finally, consider saving any tweaks you make so you can reuse your adjusted version next time. Consistency is where templates really shine. If you followed along with a different space than the example, everything still applies. The template lives inside the space you selected, so team members who have access to that space will see the new structure immediately. That makes it a simple way to roll out standardized workflows across your organization without rebuilding the same components over and over. You now have a complete working template in place and a clear path to repeat the process for any other area of your work. I hope you enjoyed the video, found the walkthrough clear, and feel confident pulling in templates that fit your needs. Ciao.